So next, we have to download FMOD. So we go to the FMOD website and click Get FMOD. And of course, it's going to make you create an account. I already did this, so I'm going to sign in. And we have to download two things here. So we have to download the FMOD Studio. That's the actual application. And then we have to download the plugins for Unreal. And you can also do this for Unity as well if you want. But I'm going to go first do the FMOD Studio. And so you have different versions you can do. You could do a newer version, but the last stable version will be the one that's highlighted. And then you pick your operating system and go to download. Then it downloads this one. So go ahead and install that part. It's an exe file on a PC. On this, I just drag it to my applications folder. Okay, cool. Wow, that was easy. And then the next thing you got to do is you have to, so we're doing Unreal for this one. So I have to make sure that everything lines up. So because I downloaded the latest stable version, which is 2.02, I have to keep with that. And then I also have to think about the Unreal Engine version I downloaded. So we have to do 5.3, like I said before, and I'm going to download that as well. And it's going to make it so things integrate well inside of FMOD. So find your operating system that's associated with it, download it, and there it is. So I will unzip this. So, and this comes with a README. So I want to read it, but it isn't going to let me. You could right click and open it with text edit on a Mac. It says FMOD Studio can be placed in the Engine Plugins directory or in your game's plugins directory. I would personally rather just put it into the Unreal plugins folder. It makes life a lot easier. So let's do it. So I'll take these two folders here and then I'm going to copy them. You can just drag them over there. Maybe I'll just drag them over there. That sounds like a better plan. So, and then in my applications folder is where I put this. So there it is, Unreal Engine 5.3. And then I go into the engine folder and my plugins. I can just drag these into plugins. And there it is. And then so now I have my FMOD Studio and FMOD Studio Niagara in there. And that's all I got to do to make this all work. Pretty cool, pretty easy. That's actually one of the harder parts, doing the installs. So that's all you had to do to install it. It just takes a decent amount of space is the problem. So FMOD's only 292 megabytes, which is nothing. So the integration software is easy. The engine itself is pretty intensive. But everything is set up, and we just need to download the game itself, which also takes up space. All right, next video, we'll talk about that.